Hey guys, form 2 factorization of 3 terms. Okay, pemfaktoran untuk 3 term ya. Alright, so for this kind of questions, you have to first create a partition, one horizontal line, one vertical line. Okay, now the first part of your partition is going to be for the first term. So you have to think of what two numbers when you multiply gives you 9x squared. So here I'm going to put here 3x times 3x, because 3x times 3x will give me 9x squared. Okay, so this is for your first term. Alright, now we're going to move on to your last term, 16. So what number times what number is going to give you a 16? So I'm going to put here 4 times 4. It's going to give me 16. Okay, so this is for your last term. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cross multiply. Okay, so I'm going to take 3x and I'm going to multiply it with 4. So that's going to give me 12x. I'm going to do the same thing here, 3x times 4. That's going to give me again another 12x. Now, keep in mind that I have not written down any symbols for now. Cikgu belum tentukan apa-apa simbol lagi. Okay, so cikgu cuma darab silang sahaja. Ini term yang pertama, ini term yang ketiga, dan sekarang kita darab silang untuk dapatkan dua nilai ni. Ya, kita darab silang untuk dapatkan dua nilai ni. Okay, now to the let's try to figure out what's the symbols like. Okay, so now ini 12x, ini 12x. So kita nak dapatkan negatif 24x. What we want to get is the middle term, which is negative 24x. In order to get a negative 24, kalau kita nak dapatkan negatif 24, kita perlukan negatif 12 dan negatif 12, betul tak? Sebab kalau positif 12 dengan negatif 12 dapat kosong. Sifar, right? If one is a positive, one is a negative, you'll get a 0. So if I put both as positive 12, I would get a positive 24. So this symbol will not match because I want a negative. So to get a negative, I need a negative 12 and a negative 12 to get a negative 24. Right? So this is what you need to think about. So in order to get a negative 24, kalau nak dapatkan negatif 24, cikgu perlukan negatif 12 dan negatif 12, barulah boleh dapat negatif 24 bila kita tambahkan dua-duanya. So this part here is only for addition, right? Your multiplication is only here, right? This way is also multiplication, but here this is addition, right? Okay, so now this symbol here follows this symbol. Okay, so that means yang ni pun tolak. Alright, if this is negative, this is negative too. Okay, same symbol. Now double check. Negative 4 times with another negative 4, will it give you a positive 16? Yes, it will. And positive 16 matches the positive 16 here. So you have your 9x squared, which is your first term, right? And then you have your positive 16 here. So you got your positive 16. And then finally you have your negative 24x, which is the middle term. So the key is to get all the three terms. So once you do that, then these two becomes your answer, your brackets. Right? So that means my answer for this question would be 3x minus 4 times another 3x minus 4. So what I've done is these two brackets are my answer. I can also write this down as negative, not negative, 3x minus 4 in bracket square. Okay, 3x tolak 4 kuasa 2 dalam kurungan, barulah letak kuasa 2 kat luar. sebab dua-dua bracket ni sama. Okey, sebiji. Alright. So inilah cara kita buat pemfaktoran kalau ada 3 terms. Okay. So hopefully this is useful for you. See you guys in the next one.